Right, I'm going to go over our Wonderland mobile Lightroom preset. I have sent myself the preset, well, I've uploaded it to Dropbox, so I'm going to go ahead and hold down on the image. I'm going to save to camera roll. That is saved. I'm going to open up my Lightroom mobile. I created a new folder for my Wonderland photos I'm going to edit. To create a new folder, you go ahead and click the plus sign, create an album, and I'm going to call this one presets because this is where I'm going to save that DNG file with the preset on it. Go OK. So go ahead and click on that. Go ahead and click the plus sign down here. Go to camera roll. And any DNG file is going to come up black in your camera roll. So you're going to go ahead and click on it and add one photo. Right, so there we have our mobile preset. And I'm going to go ahead and go up here to these three dots up at the top right. You're going to go ahead and click copy settings. Go ahead and click OK. Click this back arrow. Click the back arrow again. And now I'm going to go into the images I'm going to be editing. So I'm going to click on my first image. I'm going to go ahead and go up to those top three dots again and click paste settings. And you can see it copied and pasted the settings from the DNG preset file over here to this image. And I don't need to do any tweaking on that one. I think that looks great. I'm going to go to the back button. I'm going to open up another image. You don't have to copy the preset each time. If you're going to be applying the same preset you just applied, you can go ahead and click the three dots and click paste again. And as you can see, the before and the after with the Wonderland. This preset is super good with skin tones and with backgrounds. I rarely ever have to do any adjusting with it. So go ahead and click the back, and I'm going to click on one more image. I'm going to go ahead and paste that. And as you can see, this is a really great preset for bloggers or people who just like to take images for selfies, or if they're traveling. It really enhances skin tone and skin color. It adds mild grain, and it really does just make the image pop. If you do want to do any adjustments right under light, this is where you can adjust your exposure if you want it a little brighter. And under color, you can go ahead and adjust your white balance. Effects is where the grain will be. If you don't want any grain, you can go ahead and take that off. If you like more, you can adjust that as well. I like a lot of grain in my images, so I usually put a little more on than the preset has. And then to save this to your device, now that it's edited, go ahead up top and click the square with the arrow and save to camera roll and maximum available. That'll save it right in your camera roll so you can locate that to upload to Instagram or whatever you'd like to do with your image. And that is the overview of our Wonderland presets. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email or leave a comment below.